So cross-device authentication really is becoming more and more essential. You can see that if you look at the stats on a Cyber Monday that 87% of the browsing is done on a mobile device, but 67% of the purchases are done on a desktop device. That's a huge problem. People are sitting on their couch and they're looking at products and they're walking over to their computer and buying. From marketers to be able to look at that true attribution, there's a gap. There's a huge gap. And if you can stitch the activity across device, and even in some cases, somebody's doing it in the same visitor session, you need to be able to have that insight. And so we have practices and we have technology in place that helps, and actually I think we're the best one on the market to do it, that helps put those cross-device visitor profiles together and give you a true view of the visitor, not just as a person, but as a person across all of their devices. So the direct benefits for our users with AudienceStream is you get a single view of the customer. You get a view of what they're doing on your website, you get a view of what they're doing within their mobile app. If we can identify those users via any number of identifiers, whether it be a first-party authentication or a Facebook ID or a Google ID or something like that, then we could stitch their activity cross-device together. And when we say stitch, we're actually recalculating their metrics. So if somebody purchases $1,000 of merchandise on a laptop but returns 800 of it on the iPad, we'll recalculate those and calculate a true lifetime value for the customers. But they get that true insight of their visitor, and now they're able to start taking action on their visitor from a single source of the truth.